Hello my lovely subscribers and my lovely viewer. Welcome back guys. Guys, today my poopy want corned beef hash today guys. So now he bought me 2 corned beef this morning, so I'm gonna make corned beef hash for him. And I have my potatoes over here, onion, scallion and garlic, and I have parsley for decoration guys. So guys, I'm gonna peel my potato and cut them up and I'll be right back. So stay tuned guys, watch me peel my potatoes, okay? So guys, I'm peeling my potatoes. Guys, I'm peeling my potatoes. I'm putting all my love into this corned beef hash for my poopy. Number 1 potato. And I have my friends that would like some too, and my sister. My friend John over there, he's gonna need some too. So I'm gonna peel them and I'm gonna wash them and cut them up guys. And guys, I want you to tell me how you make your corned beef hash. I'm gonna make it another way the next time I do it. But for today, because he just told me about it today, so I'm using what I have. I think I'm using all of these potatoes. I'm gonna use. I have 3 in here already. I'll make another one. So guys, I'm gonna cut my potato. I'm gonna cut them up in cubes guys, so they can fry very fast. Maybe I'm gonna blanch them, because he said I could blanch them or I could put them in the oven. So I'm gonna blanch them. Maybe it will be better for me. So he's gonna, when he come home from work, he's gonna get corned beef hash. Corned beef hash tonight. But guys, you can make it for breakfast. Cause I would prefer make it for my breakfast. But he say he eat it anytime. Because he says his father used to make it and his mother used to make it and blah 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 blah. Because somebody from his mother have to teach, no, his father, mother teach his mother how to make it. So guys, I have a little oil in the pan and some butter. I have some olive oil and some margarine. So I'm gonna add my potatoes. I don't think I want to add everything at the same time. I'm going to add half and half. I'm going to brown them up a little bit, they catch a little color, and then set them aside guys. So guys, okay, so we're going to let these ones have a little color on them, and then I'm going to take them out and put the second batch inside. So okay, so stay tuned and watch as we go along guys. So I'm gonna make another stir. Wow, they're getting there, man. Fill out. Okay, keep watching. Stay tuned. I'm just transferring these over here to put in the second set. They're brown up nice. That's how I need them. I hope my cookie will be happy. to know that his grandma didn't teach me. I know what to do. So I'm gonna add the second batch now. As we get the second batch done. Okay. See how beautiful it looks? Looking very nice. That's how good color. So this is the second batch. Almost finished again. I'm gonna give it another 2 minutes and then I take them out and then I start looking about my corned beef.
So you have to big up your subscriber from Bahamas.
Okay, big up my subscriber from Bahamas. Big up, big up. My Bahamas girl in the house. Keep watching, girl. Keep watching. So okay, my potato is finished. I'm just taking out this one and start making my corned beef after. I'm gonna fry up my onions and stuff, and I'm gonna make my my corned beef, and then I add my ash to it after. So you guys will see the finished product of my corned beef ash as my. And my poopy will get what he wants when he comes from work tonight. So guys, I'm gonna put this in the oven, make it stay there and relax until I finish frying up my onion and stuff. So I'm gonna fry up my onion and garlic here first, and then I get right back to you. So as you can see, they start coloring up. So we're gonna give them another 5 minutes, and then I'm gonna stir them up again, and then I add the second batch. So just stay tuned. A little bit more, not much. And I have half a purple onion and one white onion. And I'm gonna use 2 bully beef, but I have a third one because I like to see my bully beef in my corned beef. I'm gonna have one on the side. That's if you want more, I can use it, but I'm gonna use 2 for now. I'm gonna add my garlic, and this is 3 cloves of garlic, guys. Can use, if you don't love a lot of garlic, you can use 1 or 2. I love to cook with a lot of garlic, so I use 3. And I have my stove on low because I don't want my garlic to burn. So I'm making all the onion infused in the little oil. So I'm gonna start opening my corned beef. I love to clean them first before I open them. So guys, this is the corned beef I'm using. So I'm gonna add my beef, my corned beef to my onion and garlic. Sister, give me the other one. I'm going to turn up the stove a little bit more so I can get all the onions in the corned beef before I add my hash to it. Medium. Okay, just on medium now. And guys, you can add egg to it if you want. You can add an egg. You can poach an egg or over easy egg on top if you want. But today I'm just gonna do it straight today. Maybe the next time I do it, I'm gonna add egg to it. Okay? Maybe when I do it one morning for my breakfast, I'm gonna add an egg. That is optional. Add our potatoes, but I'm gonna add my potatoes to my corned beef. Hold this now. Put some in there. Put in there, put it. Alright. I want you guys to see the corned beef. Really good. I think I have the right amount of potatoes. The right amount of potatoes. Okay, so this is almost the final of it. Just getting everything together. Make all the potato have some corned beef on it. Share your plate and show you. Oh, I'm gonna add my seasoning. I'm gonna add some season without salt, guys, because the bully beef have enough salt. So I'm gonna add a little Mrs. Dash, just a little dash of it. I'm gonna add some flavor rice, just a little dash. That's for the coloring. Give me the black pepper, please. A little black pepper. And I'm gonna add a little garlic pasty. I'm gonna make another stir. And I'm gonna show you the finished product. So I'm gonna put on some decoration on it. A little green onion. And I'm gonna add a little parsley also. Just a little dash of parsley. Summertime now, so you gotta eat your greens. So guys, I'm gonna share you a plate and let you see the final product. Guys, this is my finished product of my corned beef, a hash. So guys, remember to like, share, comment and subscribe, please. You can have this for lunch, for breakfast, or even for supper, because I'm gonna eat some for supper tonight. My poopy gonna have his for supper, so you can have it for supper too. So remember, hit on that subscribe button, and then you like, share, and comment, please. So thank you for watching, and see you guys in our next video. God bless you. Ciao. Walk good.